Okay, girls, if we can ever get your daddy out of the house, then we can leave. I just checked everything about 1,000,000 times.
I think he might be.
Either way, the water was only just below his ankles, and it seemed like within 60 seconds it went up to his knees.
Yep.
And that's
Look at how fast
it's
it's
gonna
going.
It looks like the broad center of circulation here, but beyond that, you do have, it looks like some moderate showers.
Are you? You're in there.
I'm outside, and let me tell you, the bands are still going on.
We know.
He always sounds like he's in a...
Water's up to almost the top of the wheel.
The top of her wheel.
Who's this? Whose car is this?
So it's the morning after Hurricane Nate. We stayed at the radio station and broadcast all night. We slept at the radio station. We brought the dogs, and we're gonna go see how everybody else is doing it. The morning after Hurricane Nate, the birthday girl slept in here. It's the morning after Hurricane Nate. James Steele slept in the boss's office.
Good morning.
Are you packing up?
Yeah.
Have you heard about how your place is?
Yeah. TikTok still lives there, so it's also a disaster.
Okay, morning after Hurricane Nate, how'd you do? Sleeping on the boss's couch? Yeah? What do you think? What do you have to say about Hurricane Nate, Kane? Me too. Me too, buddy. Me too. So we're in Biloxi, and from what I'm hearing about this boat right here, there were some people, 3 people, if I understood correctly, that got rescued off of it, and then with the storm surge, this is where the boat